Actually wanted to comment on that about the blackface here in Spain.
Yeah.
Did you see the video that the town hall of Madrid, El Ayuntamiento de Madrid, that they sent out?
Yep, the government sent out the blackface video.
And that says like how much bigger can it get? The government is not an organization within Spain. The government sent that video. So
For the kids.
So this was the face of the video that they sent out, you know? And in that video, there was a guy in blackface, but not only blackface, he was speaking in a Spanish accent that was ridiculous.
Chamartín, voy a Chamartín, con juguete el regalo también para ti. Sí, te ha portado bien, muy bien. Beso fuerte de tu amigo Baltasar.